I'll guide you through how to fix slow download speeds in Google Chrome. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video, and let's get into this. Firstly, open up Google Chrome and go up to the address bar and delete what's currently in there. And what you need to do is type in Chrome : 2 / and flags, just like that. Then hit enter, and it's going to go and take you to Google Chrome experiments. And what you want to do is type in download like this. And what you want to do is enable parallel downloading. This is going to go and accelerate your download speed, and it basically breaks up your download into different downloads, and it all sort of does it by itself. You don't have to do anything, but you can go and enable it just like so. And what you'll need to do is go and relaunch Chrome for the changes to be made. And then what you want to do is try your download and see if it's any faster. If it still isn't any faster, then what you want to do is just come off of Chrome for now, and you want to go and open up your task manager. So click on search and type in task manager, just like this. In your task manager, head over to the top left and just go and tap on the navigation bar. And you want to go and click on performance. And in performance, head to the top right and tap on the 3 dots. And then tap on resource monitor. And you want to go and click on network. And this is then going to show you all of the different applications which is using sort of your network and general network activity. So what you can do is identify applications which are using a lot of your network up and go and close them, because otherwise Google Chrome and that application is going to be sharing it. So what you want to do is just go and close any other program which is using a lot of your network up. For example, maybe another application is doing a download or a launcher is downloading a game. You can identify that in there, and then you can go and close it. You can even just go and right click on it in here and press end process. Go and see if that improves your download speed. The next thing you can do is you can try downloading the file from a different place, because some web servers are going to go and have limitations on this download speed. So it's not actually with your internet, but it's actually from the server you're trying to download it from. So what you want to do is see if the download is available on any other servers or different places where you can go and download it from, because that may be the solution to your problem. If you're unsure if it's worth doing this, you could always try downloading something completely different. And if that download is a lot faster, then you know that it's something to do with the web server and that it's not to do with you, because you can download files faster. It's just one is being slow, and that means it's to do with the web server. This option won't work for everybody, but if possible, try and use Ethernet or LAN, and this is a direct connection into your router from your computer, and this just removes the wireless element, and it hopefully will make things much faster. But obviously that isn't available to everyone. And the last thing you can try is use something called Internet Download Manager. So what this is basically an extension which you can use in Chrome, and it's actually its own application, and it's a download accelerator. It has got a trial, so you could see if it does work for you, and I have used this before and noticed that it did work quite well, and it is pretty popular. You do need to have it installed in your computer and either have the trial or have paid for it, but as I said before, you can always see how it is, and then you can keep it or not. It's going to be up to you. But yeah, it could be worth trying. So I hope one of the methods in this video did work for you.